Hello,
Hello,
good evening.
good evening.
Please let me explain features of Java.
Yes, first of all, my name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's 12 December 2023. Today's my technical topic is features of Java. First of all, what is Java? Java is class-based, high-level, object-oriented, popular programming language. Java was developed by James Gosling in the year 1995 at Sun Microsystems. Java's first name was O. Java's firstly developed for the uh, internet devices, but after that, Java is used for various types of development application, web application, desktop applications, mobile application, etc. There are various features of Java. First feature is simple. Java is simple programming language because Java is easy to learn and understand. Its syntax is totally based on C++. It can understand by easily for you and our. Next is Java is object oriented programming language. First of all, Java is totally based on objects and classes. Then what is object and what is class? Object is real-time entity and class is templates or blueprint. In Java, the totally code is based totally on objects and classes. Without creation of objects and classes, we cannot write Java's code. Java allow OOPS concept. First of all, what is OOPS concept? OOPS concept is object-oriented programming systems. There are four pillars of OOPS. First is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulations, and next is abstractions. First is inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance means the process of inheriting the all properties of parent class into child class or subclass. Next is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one things and many forms. For example, objects show many forms. There are two types of polymorphism. First is method overloading and second is method overriding. Next is encapsulation. Encapsulation means it is the process of hiding the implementation from the user. It's bind the data into a single class. Next features of Java is platform independent. First of all, what is platform independent? Platform independent means Java is not depend on any operating systems or platform. Means the Java's bytecode does not depends on any platform or operating system. In Java, there are two-step process of execution. First is Java source code is compiled and converted into bytecode, and that bytecode is by interpreted convert into machine code, and that bytecode makes Java platform independent. Next is Java is secure programming language because Java does not support pointers, and also Java use security manager and bytecode verifier. First of all, what is bytecode verifier? Bytecode verifier is responsible for to the checking the classes loaded in the JVM. For example, class name and unwanted code in the class and etc. Next is security manager. Security manager it's manage the all the security purpose in the Java. Next is Java is compiled and interpreted. Means Java's two-step process of execution. First is Java source code is converted into bytecode, and after that, that bytecode by the interpreter is converted into machine code. That's why Java is compiled and also interpreted language. Next is Java have high performance. Because of Java have bytecode, that's why Java's have the best performance other than languages. Next is Java is dynamic. Means Java allow the dynamic loading of a classes at the time of execution. We can Java is allowed to us for loading the dynamic classes. For example, we need at the runtime and execution time, we can load the classes in Java. Next is Java is architectural neutral. Means the bytecode of the Java is does not depends on architecture of operating systems, processor, and memory. For example, the primitive data types in Java is, for example, int is 4 byte. It's this value of that memory is all for the all processor and all operating system is 4 byte. But in C++, there is a depend on various platform or processor operating system. Next is multi-threaded. Java is multi-threaded. Means, first of all, what is multi-threading? Multi-threading, it is a process of execution of multiple threads simultaneously. Next is what is thread? Thread is a small part of program that execute at the multiple execute at the same time. That features of Java multi-threading is manage the memory by the application. For example, the JVM is allow memory for the all thread is same. It is the features of Java. Next is Java is robust programming language. What is meant by robust? Because Java is how strong memory management, and also Java use exception handling. That's why Java is a robust programming language. Next is Java is portable programming language. What is meant by portable? Portable means the Java's bytecode we can carry from one operating system to another operating system. It is a totally independent bytecodes. That's why Java is portable programming language. It is all about the features of Java. Thank you.